Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. So today you might be guessing right from the thumbnail, and also hint hint, my brows. What color are they? Ooh. We are going to dye our hair. I'm also going to cut it a little bit, I think at least. And I'm super excited. You guys have probably already guessed that I'm going to dye my hair because I've bleached it. And this is not a color that I want. No. So today we are going to, you know what? We have to have a lip color before we start this. Should we have this? Or maybe this? Let's use this. This is the new Lime Crime plushie in Melon Smoothie. So cute. You guys might have already guessed that yes, this video is sponsored by one of my favorite brands and the brand that I loved first and the brand that loved me first when I started with YouTube. I'm so excited to be collaborating with Lime Crime. I've been loving Lime Crime for ever since I started YouTube. I think I got my first press release from Lime Crime and I'm so grateful for that, and also that I got reposted on Instagram by Lime Crime, I think the first time ever, which really made me grow quite fast. And yeah, I just really love Lime Crime. So okay, if you didn't know, Lime Crime have come out like a year ago or 2 years ago, I don't remember. They came out with hair color and they just launched some new colors, and we are going to try those colors today. One of those colors. So the hair color that we will be dyeing our hair today is the pink, like cool tone pink, called Juicy. It's like a pink slash violet kind of. So this is how the packaging looks. It is so cute and so very Lime Crime, and it has the shade name on the top as well. This is how it looks inside. It's the super cute jar of deliciousness. Before I put this in my hair, I thought that I could tell you guys a little bit about the product before we start. It is of course cruelty free and vegan, like Lime Crime is, 100%, which is so good. It doesn't contain any bleach or harsh ingredients, so you don't have to worry about it damaging your hair. It's just, I've never ever noticed a difference of hair quality when I've used these, and I love them so much. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's just start. Before, I have to take this super cute dress off. Don't look. So I'm just putting on a t-shirt that I don't care if it gets any stains on or whatever. And then I'm just gonna pull out my hair and I'm going to brush it through. So I've bleached my hair twice from the orangey yellow that I had, and it became this, and I think this will work. I've used so many of these hair dyes before and it usually works with this light yellow hair, but the best thing is if you had like platinum hair, the dyes will look more vibrant on it and it might stick better, but yeah, I'm gonna go with this. And then of course you have to put on some gloves. I'm starting off with a middle parting because I think it's easier, and you should have dry hair, which I have. It's also a lot easier if you use a brush like this to apply it. If this is your first time dyeing your hair as well, it's easier if you put this in a jar, but I'm just going to like take it out with the brush. And also of course it's easier if you have anyone to help you, but I am all alone, so I'm gonna do this all alone, and I've done this since I was like 2. Okay, so I'm gonna take some on the brush and we're just gonna start. I'm gonna put it on this side, dip it again, put it on this side. Oh my god, this is such a fun color! Oh no, I've already messed up. If you've seen any of my hair dyeing videos, you know that I am a mess when it comes to hair dyeing. But I don't really care because somehow it always turns out really good. Hair dyeing isn't that hard. It's fun. Okay, so now that I've done one parting, so to say, like my middle parting, I'm gonna create a new parting on, starting with this side. And when I've done the entire right side of my head, I'm gonna go in with the left side. So I have a parting and I'm gonna go in with the color again. And I'm gonna focus on the roots at first. Okay, so I'm gonna do this all over my hair and then I will be back when I've done both sides. One side done, and now let's do the other side. If you're wondering why I do my roots first, it's just something that I've learned to do while like bleaching my roots and stuff like that and re-dyeing my hair. But I don't know, somehow I think it's easier. But you could obviously, when you've done like one side, you could just like put it all over your hair and not just the roots, and then start off with the other side. But I don't know, it's just something that I've always done and it's just easier for me somehow. Alright, and now to do the back, it's a lot easier if you have a friend, but I do not. So I'm just going to part it down the middle, and then I'm pretty much just going to, I was gonna say touch myself. I'm just going to feel where I need to put it. So the roots are all done, and now what we're going to do is I'm gonna start with the middle parting again, kind of, if my hair lets me. And then what I do and what I think is the easiest, honestly, is just I take some on my glove and then I just rub it so I have it on both hands, and then I just massage the lengths. Some people might think that this is really bad way to dye it, but I don't know, I think it's easier to use your hands on the longer hair. So I take like a little piece like this and then I just massage it and make sure that it is dyed all over. Oh, this looks so yummy. I love it. My length of hair took exactly pretty much 1 jar. I'm gonna take the last of it and just massage it all. And now I'm just gonna put everything up in a little ball like this, so I look like a cone head. Then I'm gonna let this sit. You should have it on for at least 30 minutes, but you can have it up for 2 hours or even more if you want to. I think that I will have it on for 1 hour, and then we will see the results of this beautiful pink hair. Okay, see you guys soon. Alright, are you guys ready for the result? Here it comes. 1, 2, 3, go. Look how cute. Oh my god. It looks so cute. I look like Princess Bubblegum. Lastly, I'm actually going to cut my hair a little bit because I really want like a pink, super like straight. Is it a bob? I think it's a bob. So I'm gonna do that. If you want to see exactly how I cut my hair when it's this short and do it by myself, then check out my other video. I can link it up here and also down below. I'm gonna do this quite fast and then we will see the end result. Love it! Oh my god, I love doing weird stuff to my hair. Now I'm gonna take this out. Oh my god, I love it so much. Alright, so are you guys ready for the end result? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Ding! Ah! Oh my god, I make such weird sounds when I'm excited. I think this looks so cool. I look like a superhero or something. I love it! And I love that I cut it. Oh my god, I'm so happy that I cut it. As you guys know, I've never had like short hair before. But now that I like decided to cut it like a few months ago, I'm so loving it. I'm so obsessed. Like, it looks so cool. Alright, so that is it for this video. I am so excited that Lime Crime wanted to work with me on this video. I'm so happy about the results and I really hope you guys like it as well. I like it more than I thought that I would, so I might keep this longer than I thought I would. You guys already know I like keep my hair colors like 1 week and then I change it. But I really like it. If you enjoyed it as well, please give it a thumbs up. If you are wondering anything about anything, comment down below. And also if you want to check out the hair dyes, maybe this hair dye, I will have Lime Crime's website obviously linked down below for you. I really hope you guys have an amazing day and I hope that we will see each other in the next video.